Hey guys, Ro Kitty here, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been about a year since I posted, but well, the reason why is last year I started middle school, and I was still getting the feel for it. It was different. I wasn't used to it. I missed my friends, and yeah, all that. Anyways, I'm in 7th grade now, and pretty much got the hang of it. Made some new friends, and yeah. So today, I'm going to be talking about ways to stay occupied during a hurricane. Remember to like and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell to stay updated on new videos I post. Enjoy! Tip 1. Sleep all day and only get up to use the bathroom. Tip 2. Play video games until the power goes out. I'm gonna win! No, you're not! Dang it, the power went off! I was about to win! Tip 3. Steal candy from the pantry while playing heist music. Tip 4. Exercise. 88, 99, 100. Woo! What a workout! Tip 5. My favorite. Annoy your parents until they kick you out of the house. Found you, Green Goblin! Aha! I've webbed you up now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was ways to stay occupied during a hurricane. Yep, I gotta get to editing this video now. So, and once my dad lets me back inside. So, just remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.